All right, what's up guys, welcome back to another video. We just taking out my AMG real quick just to give it a little quick wash. That's a police radar and it's detecting that there's a cop in front of us. But yeah, we just passed by the cop, so that thing was on point. But yeah, as you can see, my temperature for my engine and my transmission is still a little bit cold. Same thing for my coolant. My coolant is actually a little low and I need to top that off. If you don't know why, go check out my last video. But we about to take my car out real quick and give it a wash and hit the gym. Hope you guys enjoy. Please subscribe and like. We just hit 1,000 subscribers and I'm very blessed. I'm about to do a celebration for that and I can't wait to do it because I think it's something I've been wanting to do in a minute, and I think it's a perfect way to celebrate it for hitting a milestone. You know, it's nothing crazy. 1,000 subscribers is not crazy, but it's just it's a goal of mine I had. Someone got pulled over there. He's still going. He's not even pulling over. Oh, it's a 45 AMG in front of us. Oh, that was a SLS CLS 550. Damn, we got some cars out today. I haven't took this car out in a minute. I can barely read that guy's license plate. First question he's gonna ask him is, why did you take so long to pull over? For sure, because he had his lights on when he was all the way over there. Oh, what is that AMG trying to do? The best part about this car is the exhaust button right here. Find a spot. Oh my god, it's like every Corvette wants to get a car wash today. Nothing wrong with that, they're still clean. What do you guys prefer, the C7 or the C8 body wise? All right, let's give this car a wash. Okay, we got BMWs over there. I haven't washed this car in a minute. It's so dirty. Look at this. For a hand car wash. I'm gonna keep it on rinse. What is it? You too, bro. I'll see you. All right. Just like that. Now we just gotta dry it up, you know. That was just a quick wash, you know. I just did this within like 3 minutes because I'm in a rush. I'm not trying to take my day and just clean this car. But yeah. All right, before I take it out in the sun, I'm gonna do. I used to have the big towels to take, you know, to just do the first layer, because the first layer when drying it up is like the heaviest. But someone used them and made them dirty, and they're not ready for today. So down. Like that. Look how he has it. All right, now spot clean it. Oh.
GPS connected. Start recording.
Actually, let me just take this out real quick. Watch, we're gonna scrape probably. Man, it feels so nice when you're driving a clean car. It's just like getting a haircut. You just want to go everywhere. You go to Sephora, Target, just make nonsense. Look at that G-Wagon. That's tough. I feel like I know who owns that car. He used to have a C63. Now he's up in life. Good for him. What? Man, this transmission takes so long to get warm now. you know, we're in the winter, but oh, that cop's just gonna ruin it for me. It ain't illegal to downshift though. That traction. That cop doesn't have his radar on, but we're doing the speed limit, so can't do nothing.